Our top story, finally free. Just hours ago, Christopher Dunn walked out of prison, a hug from his mom, 34 years in the making.
I never gave up because my family never gave up.
He spent 3 decades behind bars for a murder he says he didn't commit. Tonight, Christopher Dunn is home. Good evening. I'm Mike Bush.
And I'm Kelly Jackson. This comes a week after his murder conviction was overturned and an 8-day legal battle blocking his release. 5 on your side's Justina Coronel was there when Dunn walked out a free man. Justina.
Well, Christopher Dunn says there aren't enough words to really describe the feeling of being free. And tonight, he's home after being away for 34 years. Christopher Dunn breathes this moment in. It's his first moment out.
It's easy to give up in prison when you lose hope. But when the system chooses to throw you away, you have to ask yourself if you're willing to just settle for it or you're going to fight for it.
And he fought for 3 decades.
St. Louis, we did it.
We did it. Dunn always claimed his innocence from a 1991 murder conviction. Now a judge has exonerated him for a crime he never committed.
I never gave up because my family never gave up.
Dunn's wife stood by his side on the steps of the Carnahan courthouse in the very same place that put him away.
But at the same time, for my family, for standing behind me for all these years, I cannot forget my wife, who has stuck with me through thick and thin, through it all.
Dunn held his mom in his arms once again.
It was great. It was great.
He was supposed to hug her sooner. Last week, a St. Louis judge ordered his release. In his newest suit, Dunn was about to walk out, but the Attorney General stalled the case with an appeal.
Only to be brought back into the prison, it was torture.
On Tuesday, the Missouri Supreme Court gave Dunn the green light to come back home once the St. Louis Circuit Attorney cleared his charges. I asked Dunn if he had any words for the Attorney General.
Have a nice life.
Speaking to a crowd of reporters, Dunn admits he's looking ahead.
For those who participated in my prosecution, I forgive you. I'm not going to forget, but I do forgive you. But at the same time, I got to move on with my life too. I got a life to live now. And it's time to move forward. But until then, y'all take care. And don't forget those that still left behind.
Now, I asked him what he wanted to do first, and he said he wanted a St. Louis baseball cap and to go to Busch Stadium. Now, we did reach out multiple times to the Attorney General's office, and we have not heard back. Reporting live, Justina Coronel, 5 on your side.